Hello everyone, my name is Vincent Krugel, and I am the Director of IT for Argus Properties. Today we're going to talk about screens, specifically your screen orientation and your dominant one. I commonly get questions saying that, hey Vincent, I'm not able to go and organize my screens. I've connected to a new dock, or I have a brand new laptop, or I've done a change with my screens, and now my cursor can't flow from screen A to screen B, or 1 to 2. Instead, I have to go in the opposite direction to get to that screen. Or I want my desktop on a different screen. This is not something that can be done remotely. Anything to do with a resolution or screens in particular has to be done at that desktop at that time. And it makes sense because you need to have the person there in order to deal with it. So this is what we do. First, I want you to right-click on anywhere on your desktop. It has to be an empty area of your desktop. It can't be within a window or within a program. It must be within an empty area of your desktop. You'll have the following dialog box appear. Please click on Display Settings. Now, the System Display window will appear. At the top, you'll have your screens. You'll also have this indicator here saying, make this my main display. The screen that is your main display will have this grayed out. If you want to go change it to a different display, all you have to do is click on that screen and then click make this my main display. You'll have a few other settings in there also, but a few others that you really want to pay attention to are identify and extend these displays. If it does not say extend these displays, you're going to want to change this. So I want you to click this indicator, and the following dialog box will appear. If it's duplicate these displays, this is handy if you're using a projector. You want to have your display on your laptop and maybe another display on a projector, where you do have two screens, but you want to show somebody the exact same thing that you're seeing at the same time. What you'll see instead is just this screen, like not number 1, but divided in the middle. And it'll have a 1 and a 2 on either side. If you're using two screens and you want to use them as two screens, please click Extend these displays. It'll give you an option saying, are you sure you really want to do this? And you say yes. Now, if you're having problems identifying which screen is which screen, let's say you have your laptop open and you like to work with it, and you have the two other screens, and you're organizing your screens around, I'll get to that, how to organize them, but you can't identify them yet. You're like, well, how do I do this? So what instead you do is you click Identify. Once you've clicked Identify, a number will come up on the screen. This indicates that the screen that I'm on here right now is number 1. And they're in order. I've got number 1 and number 2. But if your number 2 is where your number 1 is, or your number 1 is where your number 2 is, you may need to reorganize. So to reorganize, all you need to do is grab the screen, literally just click on it, make a left click, click on it, and just pick it up. And you can put it in front of the other screen. Or you can take this screen and move it over there. Either way, you can move the screens into the orientation that you want them moved into. One last thing, and I mentioned this before, whatever screen you want to make your main display, just click Make this my main display. You have to be on that screen, clicked on it, and then you make it your main display. And that's it. I hope this helped. Have a good day.